Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rose, just in case it's your first time coming across this channel. So today I'm going to reply to one of the questions that people have been asking me, or one thing that people have been asking me to do, and that is to do more videos of my washing machine, which happens to be the LG 16 kg top load washing machine. And so today, as part of the ongoing videos regarding the machine, we are going to wash the duvet. So I noticed it's sunny today, thank God. It's sunny today, and we are going to wash this duvet. It's been long since I washed it, and for a duvet to be washed, you just don't go and put your laundry in the washing machine just like we do with the other type of clothes. So in this particular one, there is a way you have to fold it before you put it in the machine, and that is one thing I'm going to take you through so that you see how that happens. So in the meantime, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Share, like, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me what you want us to do next, what kind of wash you want us to do. But in the review I mentioned you cannot wash your mats, like doormats, and you cannot wash shoes, such things. When it comes to bras, you have to have some kind of a net where you put your bras, like that. So other than that, tell me what else you want us to wash. But for this particular video, we are going to wash this duvet. So let me show you how it's folded. So alright guys, so let me remove these ones because I want to have enough space. So today we wash this one, then later the other duvet. So yeah, this is a 5x6 duvet. So this is the 6th side, and this is the 5th side. 6th side, 5th side. And because I want the white side to be on top, so I'm going to fold this into two, in halves. So I'm going to put this one there. Make sure the side you want to be on top to be the one on the lower side. So this is into two. Then I'm going to fold into a third of this like that. There. Are we together, class? Up to that point we are together. So from there, I'm going to take this part and put it on the top side. This one, so that by the time I'm putting it in the washing machine, this will be the outer side, and it's the white side, so I wanted it to be on the top when putting, like on the outer side. So up to that point, I'm going to take this one, yeah, and fold it there, okay, like that. Then again like this. Like that. So on this side we have this, and on this side we have that, okay. And now when I'm going to put it in the washing machine, I'm going to fold this lower side and put it, so it should land in the washing machine like this, exactly as it is. So let's go switch on the washing machine, and then connect everything, and then we put it inside. Let me leave it there so that it doesn't, yes. So come, let's go and connect, and then we'll come back for the duvet. Yes, so guys, we're finally here, and this is the washing machine. I have done a review of the washing machine, so if you haven't watched that video, I'm going to pin that comment and I'm going to put the link for you there. So here it is. It's empty, of course. And let me get the washing machine, I mean the duvet. Just give me a minute. Yeah, so you remember the way we folded it, it's exactly the same. So I'm going to put it, let me just move it to the other side, like that, just as it is. Yes, so let me show you how it looks from the inside before we put in soap and the settings and all that. So this is how it looks from the inside, you can see, and I have already connected the pipe to the tap, and now I'm going to put it on, of course, and then switch on. It's already on, the power button. Then let me now put soap, and then I'll show you the settings around here. This is what I normally use for the machine, and of course this one, but this I prefer putting in later at the last. Okay, you can always put it here because this is where you put the detergent, but I just prefer putting it directly into my laundry. So soaping, because this duvet is very dirty, I'm going to use two bottle tops of this. Sometimes I use one, especially for light dirty clothes, for light soiled clothes. Is that the word? The ones that are not very dirty. And now I should put my detergent here, but I don't want to do that right now. I'll just put it directly. I told you why. So, and now close it. Now let's come here. So ensuring everything is in order, I should also have removed the pipe that drains the water all the way to the bathroom, but that actually should be the first thing, because the last time I forgot to do that, the whole house was in a mess. So anyway, I will do that later. And now switch on the machine like that, and then here where we have the settings, you see this duvet part, it's what I'm going to press until it goes to the duvet part like that. For normal clothes, wool, if you want to wash woolen clothes, now we have duvet, that's what we're going to use. And now I can press the start button, so it's going to weigh the laundry and give it time, measure the water, the spin, the rinse times, and then it's going to give me the time that is going to take to wash this whole for this cycle, to wash this duvet. So let's see how long it's going to give us. If you can see, it's spinning. I think this is the weighing part. Now let's see how long it's going to take. Give it time, give it time. For normal clothes, it washes with 54 to 1 hour. So this is going to take 1 hour 37 minutes to wash this duvet. For my son, because I normally do extra clean, because it's a baby's clothes, it cleans with 1 hour 15 minutes there. So it's already putting in the water, if you can see there, and we'll come back in a few to check the process and that. So in the meantime, I don't want to forget this pipe, because I don't know what I would do if I forgot the second time. That one that drains the water all the way to the bathroom. So guys, 1 minute 28 minutes, 1 hour 28 minutes remaining. Let's see what's happening inside. Oh yeah, you can see this is clear actually. You all can see. Yeah, so that's what's going on in there. So guys, it's pouring the second water. Let me switch. Yeah, it's pouring the second water. So I don't know if you can see that. So it's pouring the second water at 48 minutes remaining. The first one was at 1 hour 5 minutes. So we're still waiting. So my good people, because it's currently like 36 minutes remaining, I'm going to pause and add my softener. And then I add my softener. I can either add it from this point or just put it on the laundry direct, which I prefer actually, because I feel like this one spreads everything evenly. I don't know, but whichever way that you can use. Yes, and now because this is the last rinse, then that's it. Close, continue. So guys, it's finalizing, 3 minutes remaining, spin time, and then I'll show you after I remove it. That is after, oops, that's after it finishes. So it's stopping, it's about to finish, just in a few seconds. So the drum stops spinning. Now it's done. So in a few seconds it's going to say that it's done, and even show here. The end. The end. So let's open and see how that shows from the inside. It has completely changed. Yeah, and because of the spinning, it's somehow almost dry. It's almost dry. Actually, it's very dry. Just I'm going to put it outside, to hang it outside for a few maybe hours, maybe 2-3 hours, and I know it will be done. Then yeah, so guys, that's it. So guys, we're finally done. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I really appreciate. Please subscribe if you haven't, and share, comment. Yes, I really appreciate. So that's it about this video. Yes, and until next time, bye bye.